It's Wednesday. Welcome to Online Learning. I'm just kidding. I wanted to go ahead and record an intro video, firstly because, hey, long time no see. I missed you guys, and I figured you all wanted to see my face. So, yeah, that's a thing. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and get on here and tell you guys what is expected for each day with this online learning. So if you've been on Canvas already, you've seen that I've posted on the Canvas calendar assignments for the next 2 weeks. Obviously, we're now out till April 24th, so we'll go ahead and do my best to get those next 2 weeks up on the pacing guide as soon as possible. Also, I made a module, which of course you have to have seen in order to see this video, but I made a module called Online Learning, and the very first item in there is a pacing guide, which has the 2 weeks on it. I'll go ahead and update that file as I have the information available for what our pacing guide will look like for the next 4 weeks instead. What you're going to do each day is you're going to click on the assignment for that day, and if you just go to the pacing guide, it'll tell you what that assignment is for each day, but click on the assignment, you'll watch a short video. Today's video is an intro video, but mostly I'll be doing notes. I'm just going to take out the highlights of each of the lessons. Because we've lost actually 8 days, which is good, 3 days for EOC testing and 5 for review, we actually have more time in the pacing calendar, or the school calendar, whatever, so I'm able to pull apart some lessons and really slow down this chapter. So hopefully you guys will learn quadratics on your own at home very well. But you're going to watch the videos each day, and you're either going to do Delta Math or one of those Canvas quizzes for your homework every single day. Also below that, I'm going to have an extra resources page, and it's going to have anything extra I can find for each day. So it'll have Delta Math. Study Island is a new single sign-on app they released just 2 days ago. I'll just post the assignment on there. You'll just go in there and find it and work on it. If I can find any CUDA worksheets, if I can find anything. Also, I'll just go ahead and post the notes that I would have taught in class. I'm not going to edit the notes from last semester, so I'm just going to take the notes. There's no point in recreating notes I'm not even going to use. So I'll just take the notes from last semester and post them. There might be a couple tweaks that I would have made in teaching it, but at this point in time, it doesn't really matter. So you'll just watch the videos, learn how to do the lesson, and then do the Delta Math or do the quiz. I am going to make it a quiz every day, just so I have a timestamp so I can see that you actually are watching videos and answering questions. Just gives you a little bit of accountability. You guys are responsible, so I know that you're not going to just wait till April 24th and try to learn a month of math in one day, because that would be impossible. But if you have a little accountability, it'll just keep you a little better on track. But obviously, I understand that we're at home, and life is crazy at home. I have a 3-year-old, and I was recording a video earlier, and she came to the door, knocked on the door, and she was in the video for the rest of the time. So I understand that while you're at home, math is not a top priority. But we do have free time. I know we all have free time in between whatever responsibilities we have. So if you do get behind, please do your very best to catch up. Also, Science Hill expects for you to spend 30 to 40 minutes each day on each class. So don't try to finish my class in 10 minutes. I'm not going to be giving you guys 10 minutes of work. It is an honors class. I do expect you guys to learn material. I'm trying to pull it into bite-sized pieces, so it is much, much easier. Way easier than if we actually had class, but you are missing out on some of the honors-y parts of it. You're just getting the bulk of the material and not much of that extension. But we're just going to do what we got with the time that we have available. I have a cheat sheet here. Yeah, so every single day assignment, and then extra resources. Go do whatever else you need to learn material. On the quizzes, I'm going to give you 2 attempts on each quiz. And then I will reveal the answers on the last attempt. So if you do get it wrong, you can still see the correct answer after your second attempt. And again, these aren't actually counting for quiz grades, they're just so I can see a timestamp. It's the only way I can actually monitor your progress without giving you an actual grade. We have to have email hours available. And because I have my little girl here with me all the time, my email, I apologize, I'll be able to email by 3 p.m. every single day. Her nap time is usually between 1 and 3. So if you email me before 3 p.m. each day, I should pretty much guaranteed be able to answer that email by 3 p.m. that day. But I have my Apple Watch, so if you email me via Canvas or email or Blooms or whatever method you choose to message me by, if it's something quick and easy, I can respond later in the day. Just depends on what's going on activity-wise. If I'm playing hide and go seek in the closet, I might be able to respond to an email there too. but we'll have to see. Otherwise, I'll probably do the vast majority of my work early in the morning before she wakes up. So by like 8 or something. So by then, I can answer a lot of stuff and post material and all that stuff, but by 3 p.m. for sure. Also, speaking about email, I mean, we're not really quarantined yet, or hopefully we don't become quarantined, but we are staying inside for the most part. So I'm by myself with a 3-year-old. So if you want to message me at any time, tell me a joke or anything, that'll be greatly appreciated because I miss you guys and you guys offer a lot of fun interactions that I'm going to miss out on for the next month. I think that's probably it. Looking at my list here, just make sure you do your best to do the 30 minutes every day. It's for your benefit that you take bite-sized pieces and don't just cram all of it in your mouth, because you're not going to be able to learn the math if you just try to cram it all in at one time. So hopefully you guys make good choices, and if you need anything whatsoever, whether it's just to talk, if your life is not going so great, or if you're just, I don't know, anything. If you need help in math, obviously, but in the end, I'm your teacher and I care about you, and I want to make sure you guys are all happy and healthy and staying safe and making good choices and all of that jazz. So you can send me a picture of you doing something cool or something, and I'll try to record a video every single day, and otherwise I'll find YouTube videos that maybe, if they're helpful. Otherwise, this is our new reality for the next month or so, but then life will resume back to normal after all this craziness is over, and then we'll be healthier and happier and smarter and yeah, all that jazz. Okay, cool. Well, I'm going to go ahead and stop it here, and I love you guys. Make good choices, and hopefully I'll see you April 24th. See ya.